tip. Okay, I've got some bird's eye chilies and I want some nice little rings, but I don't want the seeds. So if I slice them open to get the seeds out, I don't get nice little rings. So what I do instead, I've got my gloves on because I don't want to get chili everywhere. Okay, I slice the ends off, better put a bit more for that one. And then what I do is I just gently squeeze it and keep rotating it, and gradually, as you may see, the seeds fall out. And then I've got a seedless chilli that I can now neatly slice into circles. Good, isn't it? Okay, so there you go, top tip, how to get some nice seedless chilli rings. Probably do this with a bigger chilli, to be honest. Although you might want to trim all the other bits out from the inside of the bigger chilies. So there you go, there's my 2 chilies, seed free.